Hi everyone, I'm Melissa. Welcome to today's lesson. こんにちは皆さん、メリッサです。一緒に英会話を練習しましょう。今日のレッスンは supposed to の使い方。Today's lesson is how to use supposed to. There are a lot of ways to use this, but let's look at a couple of the most common ones. We can use supposed to when something is planned or scheduled to happen. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. Ugh. I'm supposed to go to a party this weekend, but I haven't bought a present. What time is the show supposed to start? We can also use supposed to talk about something that should have happened but didn't. So, for example, I was supposed to go to a party last weekend, but I got a stomachache. That means I had plans to go, but I didn't. Let's look at another one. It was supposed to rain today, but the weather looks really good. That means everyone thought it was going to rain, but it didn't. Let's look at one more. I thought you were supposed to work today. That means you told me you had work, or I thought you had work, but you didn't. So if we use supposed to in the past tense, it's usually about something that didn't happen. If we use it to talk about the future, it's a plan that we have, or something that we have scheduled. Let me know in the comments below what you're supposed to do this week. What are your plans? 今週も頑張ってくださいね. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what kind of lessons you want to see next.